कुणाला, या दुनियेमध्ये थांबायाला वेळ कुणाला. हे जीवन म्हणजे क्रिकेट राजा भुकला तो संपला. हे जीवन म्हणजे क्रिकेट राजा भुकला तो संपला. भव्यशा मैदानी तू येशी वेळोवेळी, भव्य अशा मैदानी तू येशी वेळोवेळी. डाव तुझा येताच जगविशी जगून आपली खेळी. A batsman enters into the cricket field and he starts to build his own innings. Now, that inning you have started playing for the 12th standard, for the foundation. Every year you start your new inning. Not only in the education, but in every aspect, in every field, every walk of the life. भव्य अशा मैदानी तू येशी वेळोवेळी. डाव तुझा येताच जगविशी जगून आपली खेळी. काळ करी मग गोलंदाजी, काळ करी मग गोलंदाजी. संकट चेंडू फेकी, भवताली तव झेल घ्यावया जो तो फासे टाकी. मागे टपलाय यष्टी रक्षक, विकेट कीपर. मागे टपलाय यष्टी रक्षक तुझा उधळण्या डाव. Everybody's life there is something, some factor, some characteristic that is the weakness, that is a fearsome factor. So somebody says my English is not very good, somebody says my height is not proper, somebody says I am overweight, somebody says my complexion is not good. Sir, everybody has some weakness. That weakness is playing the role of a wicketkeeper. मागे टपला यष्टी रक्षक तुझा उधळण्या डाव. या साऱ्यांना चकवशील तर मिळेल तुझला धाव. If you beat all these factors, only then you will succeed scoring the run. या साऱ्यांना चकवशील तर मिळेल तुझला धाव. चतुर आणखी सावध जो जो तोच इथे दंगला. चतुर आणखी brave and alert. चतुर आणखी सावध जो जो तोच इथे दंगला. हे जीवन म्हणजे क्रिकेट राजा भुकला तो संपला. हिरवळीवर खेळताना समोवार पाहावे, हिरवळीवर खेळताना समोवार पाहावे तो दिसतात. बहरलेली माणसांची अजब जंगले. उंच झाडे, खुजी झाडे, वाकडी झाडे, सरळ झाडे. यशाच्या झुंबराखाली डोलणारी, नाचणारी. क्षणात, अपयशाच्या एका क्षणात त्यांची हवास सारी निघून जाते. शेंड्यावरती, खांद्यावरती, फांद्यांवरती घेऊन नाचणारे क्षणात आपल्या पायाशी थोडी जागा देत नाहीत. असा येथल्या दरबारातील न्याय सदा आंधळा. असा येथल्या दरबारातील न्याय सदा आंधळा. हे जीवन म्हणजे क्रिकेट राजा भुकला तो संपला. When you got success, people cherished you. The day when you will face a failure, the day when you do some bad deed, when you just have a slip of tongue at any moment, एक गलती अगर आप करते हो तर even parents also will not love you. They will also try to avoid you. शेंड्यावरती, फांद्यांवरती घेऊन नाचणारे क्षणात आपल्या पायाशी थोडी जागा देत नाही. असा येथल्या दरबारातील न्याय सदा आंधळा. This is how the justice is there in the society. आणि मग पुढचा अजूनच चांगला आहे. पुढचा अजून त्याचा असं चांगलं आहे. काळ करी मग गोलंदाजी, काळ करी मग गोलंदाजी, असं सुरुवातीच त्यांचं. आणि मग पुढे पुढे असं होतं. फार अचूक तो चेंडू या काळाचा, फार अचूक तो चेंडू या काळाचा. आयुष्य से रे डोंगर जणू धावांचा, आयुष्य असे रे डोंगर जणू धावांचा, निरंतर राहील तुझी आठवण इथल्या कडा कडाला, निरंतर म्हणजे दिस इज अबाउट द डिपार्चर फ्रॉम द लाईफ. फार अचूक तो चेंडू या काळाचा. आय कॅन स्टिल रिमेंबर द फेसेस ऑफ सम स्टुडंट्स इन द पास्ट. One student, Jayanti, who became chartered accountant by studying in all India merit ranking in all 3 levels, became a chartered accountant, married to a chartered accountant, had a 4-year son, and she caught by the blood cancer, and she had to depart. Another student, Shubham, he met an accident on the Bombay-Pune highway and he had to lose his life. But although these students had given up their lives, they are still in the memories of the teachers here in the academy. Every particle of the infrastructure in the academy, because those faces are there in front of us, but their faces will be in front of this infrastructure as well. म्हणून निरंतर राहील तुझी आठवण इथल्या कणा कणाला, हे जीवन म्हणजे क्रिकेट राजा हुकला तो संपला, हे जीवन म्हणजे क्रिकेट राजा हुकला तो संपला. The life ahead is not only going to be an amusement. Of course, whatever is the situation, tragic, however tragic it may be, you have to find amusement in that. That is a different story. That's a philosophy. But life is not only about the entertainment. Life is not only about the amusement. I was shocked knowing that last years, foundation students, now those who have given the intermediate exam, have started their articleship. One student had come to me the day before and he said, there are 5 couples. Couples म्हणजे काय? नुसतं काय? Best friends, couple. These 5 couples had decided to go to Lonavala. Everyone has told in the home, let me be very frank with you, that we are going, we 5 boys, we are going, friends, we are going, girls told we are going. And then they are going to go as the couples. They have booked a big villa over there. Every couple will be having a different bedroom. And a thought came in my mind, in which direction are we going? Life is not only about the amusement. Life is not only about the entertainment. काळ करी मग गोलंदाजी, संकट चेंडू फेकी. Just one adverse condition comes in the life and these people will be collapsed. Because they are not equipped with the toughness of the mind to face in this time all the perils, those are calamities, those are going to be there in the lives again. And therefore my very personal request to them, they were not very weak students in the studies, they were not the students who could be called hopeless, useless, etc. Mawali, या category नव्हते. They had got some good marks in foundation, they had got some good marks in intermediate as well, they were doing the articleship. मग हे असं का? Just imagine, I'm just talking from that one focus, that one point of view. There are many dimensions to it. But the one dimension is that if you have enjoyed everything before the appropriate time comes, exactly what are these people going to do after their marriages? Because married life is not only the sexual life. Married life is the commitment. Married life are the sacrifices. And if you are not having this kind of seriousness about this companionship, then how can you withstand all the calamities which will be arising in the life in the years to come? Number one. Secondly, You know the laws. हे अगदी रिसेंटली मला परवा त्यांनी सांगितलं म्हणून आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. Secondly, laws are such that if something goes wrong and if the complaint is registered in the police, it is not the girl who has to prove anything, girl who makes the complaint or maybe the relatives of the girl making the complaint. They are not supposed to prove anything. It is the boy who is going to prove that he is innocent. And even if he succeeds proving that he is innocent, till then his life is already over, because then there will be news in the newspapers, there will be on the channels as well. Media are very powerful nowadays. They are after the cheap popularity. So even though you are then declared by the court to be innocent, still that's of no use. Your life is over. This is second aspect. Third aspect is that your age is to make yourself tough enough, strong enough, acquire all the skills which are required for success in the career, success in the life ahead. And in that life, if you are doing these things, then what's the use? Is smoking heroism? Is drinking alcohol heroism? That is spoiling your health, that is spoiling your physique. These are not the symbols of heroism. Heroism is come on the stage, present something. Writing an exam, do it with fullest efficiency. Bring your character to the topmost level. Purity, topmost level of purity. That is heroism. When a 23 years old boy was arrested by the narcotics department, all the heroes and heroines, so-called heroes and heroines, started saying, "Yeah, only 23 years old boy, and you are doing injustice by putting him behind the bars." Same time, the 23 years, another boy sacrificed his life on the China border when he was commanding a troop of 100 soldiers at the age of 23. He was there on the Indo-China border, so I know Indian border it is known as. He was patrolling, and then firing started from that cross border, and he was killed. He was no more. But at 23 years, at the same age of 23, somebody is becoming the symbol of heroism by sacrificing the life on the border. And somebody is pretending to be a symbol of the youth in the country, is doing so many harmful things. Forget about what is going to be the ill effect on the society and all that. Forget about everything, but then think of his own health. What will be the health factor after 25 years down the line? And therefore, drinking, smoking, drugs is quite ahead, but these things are now becoming the symbols of heroism. People are becoming crazy for this. But trust me, believe me, this is no way going to be a symbol of any brevity in life. In whichever field you are working, everybody is not expected to go on the China border and sacrifice the life, but in whichever field you are working, whichever task you have undertaken, doing the maximum, doing the best in that is going to be the mission of the life. And therefore, at this age, please understand this, because there are quite a few temptations which will be waiting for you in the years to come. Maybe after 23 years of your age, 23, 24, then the risk factors will be reduced, because then you understand, you become career oriented, you become money oriented. But from this age of 17, 18 to the age of say 22, 23, this is going to be the testing time in your life, and if you can get through that testing period, then life ahead is beautiful. क्लिअर? सो आय एम व्हेरी, आणि म्हणून हे सॉन्ग मला का आवडतं, तर इट इज ऑल टाइम ट्रुथ.